So I wanted to show some of the features of my custom Launchkey Mini MK3 script that I built. It has some of the same features as the default script, but I made some modifications that fit my needs better. Show you what I've got going on in Ableton. I just have Ableton Live Lite, so I only have 8 tracks, but I have them color coordinated for different colors and different instruments on the different channels. When I first initialized my script, it just shows which track is currently selected in the top row with a white button. But once I make any change, like I hit play or I move a track to the left or right, it will then go into the normal state that I've designed it for. Where on the top row you have all the colors that match the track colors themselves, and then the bottom row acts like a 1x8 session grid. So you can see that it's got a single row with all the columns there. And then this second row behaves just like the default would, where you can record things, you can stop and play clips, things like that. Some features is that the currently selected track stays the same color that I've called it, but it pulses. Each pulse with the bright color is every other beat, so it also is in sync with the tempo. And then the two side buttons also match that current color. So if I move, say, from one currently selected track to another, these colors also change to remind you again of which track is currently highlighted. I took out some features that I never use and kind of replaced them with my own. I don't really use the stop solo mute modes, but I've kind of reprogrammed it myself using a secondary script to be a delete clip button. And then I don't usually launch scenes, so I've used that to become a scene. Instead of a scene launch button, it's a toggle of the bottom section of Ableton. So I'm able to bounce around and see which one is currently selected. I can play and stop clips at the bottom. I can still, use shift and move up and down. I can still do left and right. I can still switch modes just like normal and come back. But this way I have a constant colorful reminder of the channels on top that will always kind of sync up with what you're seeing visually in Ableton. And then it's just a matter of playing within that one window that you can slide up and down. I think that's it. Thanks.